got another customer complaining about a coolant loss. Thought I might show you guys a different approach as to how to, if you suspect a blown head gasket, use this 4-gas analyzer to give us an idea. There's an exhaust gap entering the combustion chamber, getting into the cooling system. I'm just going to set this exhaust protector by the reservoir. And we'll see if yeah, it's starting to pick up some hydrocarbons here on the screen, so I think I'll go ahead and pull the radiator cap off. Try the same thing in the radiator. You got to be careful when you're doing this. You don't want to immerse this in liquid, so just going to set it down there gently. And holy cow, before you even got back over here, it's already starting to pick up some hydrocarbons. So we could do a little more detailed testing by pressurizing the cooling system, pulling the spark plugs out and seeing if we're getting any coolant coming out of any of the spark plugs. Definitely. It's got that aroma like tailpipe. Okay, so with the engine running, and I got the tailpipe probe over there in the radiator filler neck, you can see that it's starting to pick up some hydrocarbon emissions coming out of the radiator. Not good. All that stuff should be going out the tailpipe. Like you're running beer in your radiator. Yeah. It's like a nice, like Foster's Lager. Yeah. Nice head of foam. Okay. We'll let that sit. hold some pressure on the cooling system while the engine's cooling down, then I'll roll some plugs out. Let's see if we can get any coolant or water to get pumped out of the spark plug holes when I crank the engine over. Probably have to wait a couple hours for this.
Hey, when we get into doing that breeze down, instead of just putting it on crank and plug.
Yeah, nothing. Okay. It was dry. That was a bust. Looks like you're running beer in your radiator.
Yeah.
Looks like a nice Foster's Lager.
Yeah.